I have this, I believe it's Kosu Vowel CPX. Basically, it is a cool 7-inch touchscreen that has Android Auto and CarPlay. So that way, instead of installing a radio in your car, you just go ahead and just install this monitor. It has an adhesive mount here, and it comes with an extra one. It comes with a little Tucker toolkit thing and a cigarette lighter to USB-C adapter. So what I'm going to do is actually, I'm just going to hook it up in my home system for now and kind of show you what it looks like. Then we'll go from there. Let's go, first of all, let's look in the back too. It's got a USB connection, USB-A, auxiliary out for a head unit that might take an auxiliary in, an AV in, audio, so mini USB, that's what that is, mini USB. And then you have the power of the USB-C. All right, get the power on. I'm picking English. Today is the 24. Almost end of the month, actually. Come on. Bluetooth, Android Auto. Cool. So let's get the Bluetooth going. Nice. So it is now connected to CarPlay. It was pretty easy. Basically, all I did is do the Bluetooth, pair it, boom. And now I'm connecting here. What's this unknown? Okay. Miracast. Apple CarPlay. Now, if I want to see the news, oh, you can see the settings. News. Nice. Let's see if we could get any volume.
Gypsy Rose Blend.
You got the map here, 3D map. It's basically a CarPlay or Android Auto copy, or not copy, mirrored, I should say. And one thing that's cool too is that you can broadcast by FM radio. Oh, so you could transmit that way, I should say, to your car if you don't have like an input, auxiliary input, or even Bluetooth. So that's kind of cool. And then there's that auxiliary jack I was trying to show you as well. And what's cool is you can make your phone call by going contacts. You're putting in the number here, just like any CarPlay or Android Auto. Pretty cool. It's a really good quality screen as well. Another thing you can do as an additional option is actually have a reverse camera. So that's pretty cool. Display and brightness. These are all the settings, so you could make adjustments as well. This right here is for USB stick. So if you're trying to do music, or I think, was I reading right? Right there, there's the slot, micro USB, so you can play music off of it. So that's what that is. I was trying to figure out what unknown was, and that's what that does. By going here, you can actually see the other things. So that's where another part for music. There's FM transmit. This is cool. So you can actually pick the frequency that you want. So if I'm going to transmit, then I can pick exactly what channel or FM radio. So depending on the area, right? I mean, some places will have maybe a 94.1. But now if you don't, then you can go ahead and do that, or you can just change it to something else. Back in the day, I think it was like 88.7, and that's all you had. But now this one, you can just pick whatever you want. So just pick a frequency that there is no radio station, and then you can go ahead and hook this up to transmit as well. Very cool. And here, I gotta put this, if I push video, it asks for the USB connection or the micro SD card here. So you can play videos off of this. So that's cool as well. Broadcasting my video here so I could hear how it sounds. So if you want to change the volume, You swipe down,
under tray or
and you can adjust
tray,
it.
I should say.
Same thing with a
And
speakerphone
not
and the
break it.
brightness.
So I have this kit
There you
that
go.
has it, and it's pretty robust. Not just
Yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is it. The CoSUVal CPX. You can pick it up on Amazon, and it'll do what you want to do for Android Auto and CarPlay. It covers mostly 99.9% of the mobile phones to do what you need, and you don't have to install it. You just basically use a cigarette lighter, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Peace out.